Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for an easy way to make money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Clickworker, a platform where you can complete simple tasks and earn real cash from anywhere in the world. Stick around, and I'll even share some pro tips to maximize your earnings. Oh, and if you want to get started with Clickworker right away, check out the link in the description. Step 1. What is Clickworker? Clickworker is a crowdsourcing platform where you can complete small tasks like data entry, categorization, surveys, and AI training tasks. It's free to join, and anyone can sign up. These tasks are provided by companies that need human input to improve their AI, marketing, and business processes. Step 2. How to sign up. To start, go to Clickworker's website using the link in the description. Click on Register and enter your details. It's free. After registration, check your email for verification. Once verified, log in and complete your profile so Clickworker can match you with relevant tasks. Step 3. How to find and complete tasks. Once inside, head over to the Jobs section. You'll see available tasks with estimated pay and time required. Click on a task to read the instructions before starting. Some tasks require a qualification test, so take your time and pass them. Step 4. Payment and withdrawals. Clickworker pays via PayPal or SEPA bank transfer. Once you reach the minimum payout, usually around $5 or $10, you can request a withdrawal. Payments are typically processed weekly. Step 5. Pro tips to earn more. Here are some ways to increase your earnings on Clickworker. Complete your profile 100%. More details equals more jobs. Check for new jobs daily. Some tasks disappear fast. Pass UHRS qualification. Unlocks higher paying jobs. Use a laptop or PC. Some tasks don't work well on mobile. Refer friends. Earn extra with the referral program. Use my link below. And that's how you can start earning money with Clickworker. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to make money online. Also, don't forget to sign up using my special link in the description to get started today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help.